Hi, welcome to Bond Bytes, a daily bond market highlights from INR bonds. I'm Arjun Patsati. And yesterday, RBI came out with allowing India's trade to be settled in rupees. Now, this is a landmark move from the RBI. This enables India to buy, for example, oil from Russia by paying rupees. Importers can pay rupees instead of dollars for import of goods and services from countries that are willing to, or from exporters that are willing to India who are willing to receive rupees against their goods and services. And exporters too can receive rupees for all the exports for those who want to pay for rupees. Now, the question is India trying to move away from USD dependence on trade and many other functions of markets? Just before we go on to the rest of bond bytes, do not forget to download our app, Quick Invest by INR Bonds, where you get the best bonds available, curated list of bonds by INR Bonds with a proprietary risk score to enable you the best investments in a volatile and high inflation and volatile interest rate market. A very seamless, best, most transparency, most information, risk, proprietary risk score, and seamless in-app investment process. Download the app now.
It was a tough journey going from an intern to a senior professional. Now, to protect my savings against high inflation and grow my wealth, I invest in bonds with INR Bonds. Download the INR Bonds app to save better.
Coming back to bond bytes, in Indian markets, the rupee again fell to record lows as the market did not take too kindly to the RBI allowing trade in rupees, the markets are feeling that the RBI is really trying to stem the fall in the rupee, and maybe RBI is has trying to move things that is going to prevent the rupee from falling faster rather than intervene directly in the markets. So the next stop to the rupee is rupees 80 to the dollar. That's coming up very fast. And equity markets fell while bond yield, Gsec yields and cutoffs in SDL auctions came down in terms of yields, indicating that markets could expect a benign inflation data today to be released today, CPI. RBI has said that from October inflation will come down, but are they being over optimistic on that? And if they are not right in their forecast, then the rupee could fall much further. And coming back to RBI's move on the rupee, that importers and exporters can trade in INR. They have enabled the conditions banks through banks, and the notification is given as on their site. And the main factor here is that India can trade with those countries and exporters and importers who are not participating in the US dollar trade settlement process. Thank you very much for listening in. Do not forget to subscribe. To our YouTube channel if you've not done so already.